Well, we've got big news coming out of DJI. This week has been full of revelations. From the news about the FPV goggles to the new photos of the production version of the FPV drone. The first depiction of the Avata started off with this version here and then later transitioned up to this mock-up of the Avata FPV drone. But now released is the full production version of the Avata Mini FPV drone. This top photo of the Avata is very informative by showing us the pusher style configuration of the props. This bottom image of the new Mini FPV drone depicts the optical sensors and the overall compactness of the frame. If we take a closer look at the prop configuration, the landing gear, and the pusher style configuration of the motors, we see that this is in the range of the 3.5-inch Cinewhoop style frame. And if we take a look at the front of the drone, we see that the camera is above the prop line and it has a one-axis gimbal that pans up and down. This is vastly different from the schematic we saw earlier where the camera is below the prop line. We can tell DJI has been designing and redesigning this new Mini FPV drone based on what it's learned from the old FPV drone. And what about the new DJI FPV goggles? Well, the V2s have been discontinued to make way for the V3s. Retailers have been notified that the V2s are no longer in production. We learned that the Avata Mini FPV drone is designed to be an indoor Cinewhoop and not flown in manual mode, so that means the motion controller is still in play. With all these leaks steamrolling in, this drone will be here in no time. Stay tuned for more updates, I'm sure there's more to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.